In this video, I am going to show you how to fix Team Builder not working on College Football 25. For this, you need to follow these steps. Step number 1. Internet connection stability. Ensure a strong and stable internet connection. Connectivity issues can interfere with online services. Number 2. Game updates. Verify that you have the latest updates for College Football 25 installed. Outdated game versions might cause compatibility problems. Number 3. Hardware compatibility. Check if your system's hardware, CPU, GPU, RAM meets the game recommended specifications. Number 4. Software conflict. Temporarily disable any conflicting software, example antivirus, firewalls that might interfere with the game's online functions. Number 5. EA support. If the else fail, contact EA Sports support directly for personalized assistance. Provide detailed information about the issue you are encountering. Number 6. Game data integrity. Try repairing or reinstalling the game to check the corrupted game files. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more of this type of content. Thank you so much for watching.